He is so dirty, she muttered in distress. So as she has told that she is so dirty, and then Dr. Sadao said, what did he say? He said that, please give me some warm water, I will clean this person. I cannot bear for you to touch him, she said. We shall have to tell the servants he is here. I will tell Yumi now. She can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. So what did she say to her husband, Dr. Sadao? She said that you need not have to do all these things. The Yumi is here and I will ask Yumi to do all these things. I will ask Yumi to leave the children and to help you and help me as well. Sadao has considered a moment. Let it be so, he agreed. You tell Yumi and I will tell the others. Sadao considered a moment. Then Sadao thought for a while. Moment means while. Sadao thought for a while and said that yes, you go and tell Yumi to do all these things. I will also inform other people. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him first to stoop and feel his pulse. It was faint, but it was there. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart too was yet alive. So, but the utter pallor, utter means what? Complete pallor. Pallor means pale color of the man's face. But by looking at the pale color of the man's face, he was completely moved. The moved means what? He wanted to treat the person. So what did he say? What did he do? He first feel his pulse. That is, he first felt the pulse of the prisoner of war. It was faint, but it was there. That is, the pulse was there. The pulse was there and the man was also alive. The heartbeat was there. He will die unless he is operated on. Put these lines within bracket, very, very important. He means whom? That is the American prisoner. So Sadao was saying that he will certainly die unless I operate this particular person. So it is my first duty to treat the person, to operate the person. And how to treat? That is to operate the person. The question is whether he will not die anyway. So, by seeing the patient means the prisoner of war, Sadao came to the conclusion that yes, I will be able to save the person if I can operate the person right now. Hannah cried out in fear, don't try to save him. What if he should be alive? Very, very important, underline it. So, what was Hannah's reaction? Hannah cried out in fear. That is, she was very much afraid. So, as she was very much afraid, she cried out and said to her husband, that is Dr. Sadao, don't try to save him. That is, never try to save this particular wounded person as because he is my enemy or he is our enemy. You know the outcome. What will be the outcome if we save this particular prisoner of war? What if he should alive? Now see the comparison. First, she was saying that we should not try to save this person as because he is an enemy. And now see the sentence, what if he should alive? So she was saying to her husband that what would be his reaction, how he would behave with us if he should leave. He should leave means what? If he is in his proper condition as because he is our enemy, so what will be his reaction? What will be the reaction of that prisoner of war? Certainly he will kill us as because he is our enemy. So it will be better if we leave the person in this particular condition and no need to save this person. What if he should die? Sadao replied. So now see the reply of Sadao, Dr. Sadao. So what did he say? He said that what if he should die? That is, what will be if he dies here? What will be the result if he dies here? We will certainly be in problem once again. He stood gazing down on the motionless man. So he was looking as because he was a doctor. Gazing means what? He was looking. He was staring. He was looking, staring means what? To look continuously. He was looking down. He was looking down on the motionless man. Motionless man refers to whom? That is the wounded person. That is the prisoner of war. So he was continuously looking at that particular person. This man must have extraordinary vitality, or he would have been dead by now. So what did he say right now? He said that this man must have extraordinary vitality. Vitality means energy. This particular person must be an energetic one. He is a very energetic man, very energetic person. Otherwise, he would succumb to death. Means what? He would have met his destiny, his fate. That is his final goal. That is his death. As because he is a very energetic man, he is still alive in this earth. But then he was very young. He was also a very young man. Perhaps not yet 25. Now this is very important. Now what is the age of? That is the probable age. Dr. Sadao does not know the age of the person, but he assumes that by seeing the face of the person we can assume. So as such, here also Dr. Sadao will assume that the age of that particular person must not be more than 25. That is, he was a young person. You mean die from the operation? Hannah asked. Yes, Sadao said. Hannah considered this doubtfully, and when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said, and first he must be washed. So both of them were having discussion with each other. That is Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah. So when Dr. Sadao found that Hannah was not ready to help him, that is Hannah was very much hesitating whether to help or whether to treat that particular person or not. So at that moment, Dr. Sadao did not hear any of his wife's words. Why? Now the question is why? See the lines. Turned away. Sadao turned away. Hannah considered this doubtfully, and when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. This is very important. Turned away means what? He did not hear any of his wife's words. At any rate, something must be done with him. So put this line within bracket. At any rate, something must be done with him. So who was saying these words? Obviously Dr. Sadao. At any rate, at any cost. Rate means what? At any cost, something must be done with him. That is, I have to treat this particular person. I have to recover the person from his injury. He said, he refers to whom? That is Dr. Sadao. At first, he must be washed. So, what is his first and foremost word here? And first, he must be washed. That is, if he want to operate this person, then what thing has to be done first? That is, this particular person must be washed, as because he was a very dirty person. He was washed away by the shore. She did not wish to be left alone. The white man. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. That is, she did not means what? That is Hannah. Yes. She did not wish to be left alone. That is, Hannah never wanted Dr. Sadao to be left alone with this prisoner of war. That is, she was not going to trust this particular person, as because he was the prisoner of war and he belonged to America. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. White man means the American person. He was the first she had seen since she left America, and now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. So now she says that I don't have any relationship with any person belong to America. I have left that particular place long time ago. I don't have any connection with any other person of that nation. So I don't have any concern about this particular person. Here, America, and now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. Here he was her enemy, a menace, living or dead. That is, as I have told, as I have discussed, this particular person was her enemy. A menace. Menace means what? A person that can cause danger. Clear? That is, he is a dangerous person. He may be very much dangerous towards them. Yes, because the same thing, he was a prisoner of war. He belonged to American nation and he was their enemy. So menace, clear students? Menace means a person that can cause danger to other person. But the children heard her, she turned to the, I have left one line. She turned to the nursery and called Yumi. She refers to whom? That is Hannah. She turned to the nursery. She went to the nursery. Nursery means it is not that class nursery, but nursery here means a room in a house where a baby sleeps. That is her children's room. She went to that particular room and called Yumi. So who was Yumi? Yumi was their servant. But the children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy. That was a boy, and now nearly 3 months old. So what was the age of the baby boy? The boy was just 3 months old. So after entering that particular nursery, she then went to their place. She then went to see her children. That is a small child, a small baby boy. And what was it was a boy, that boy was 3 months old. That is, she talked with her boy and then she also played with that particular boy. Over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth, Yumi, come with me. Then after watching her baby, she ordered Yumi to follow her. I will put the baby to bed, Yumi replied. He is ready. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery and stood with the boy in her arms while Yumi spread the spilling quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. Then Yumi took the baby into her hand and then entered the next room and put the baby on the floor. Then Hannah led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. The two servants were frightened. Now we have got another servant, the two servants. Now the question comes, how many servants were there in that particular house? There were two servants. Then Hannah left for the kitchen. And how many servants were there? There were two servants, and they were very much frightened at what their master had just told them. That is, they were also very much frightened to hear their master's words. The old gardener, another character, the old gardener is also there. That is 3 persons, 2 servants, and another one is the old gardener, who was also a house servant. So it is, he was also a house servant. That is, he also used to stay in that particular house. Pulled the few hair on his upper lip. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. He said bluntly to Hannah. That is, so then they were discussing the old gardener. What was the reaction of the old gardener? The old gardener was saying that his master should not heal. Heal means what? Should not treat the wounded person, as because he was an American person, as because he was a white man. The white man ought to die. That is, the white man means that the injured person must die. First he was shot. That is, he was shot, as you know. Then the sea caught him and wounded him with the rocks. If the master heals what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. That is, they were also very much scared. The old gardener was also very much scared that what will be the reaction of other people when people will come to know that we have given shelter to the prisoner of war and the Dr. Sadao had helped that particular person. And they will take revenge on us. That is, our enemy will take revenge on us. I will tell him what you say, Hannah replied courteously, but She herself was also frightened, although she was not superstitious as the old man was. So she was also very much frightened. So the old gardener was saying all these things to Hannah. That is, he was putting his suggestion, he was giving his suggestion to Hannah that that Dr. Sadao should not help this particular wounded person, as because he belonged to our enemy. Could it be ever be well to help an enemy? So he was putting the question. He was putting the question to Hannah that will it be all right? Could it ever be well to help an enemy? Means what? That is, will it be all right to help an enemy? It is, we never help an enemy. So he was also very much correct in his words, that he was putting the question to Hannah that will it be all right to help an enemy? Nevertheless, she told Yumi to fetch hot water and bring it to the room where the white man was. So, but what did the lady do? She told Yumi to fetch the hot water, means what? To bring the hot water where the white man was lying. So from this line we can come to the conclusion that Hannah was also ready to help the injured person as well as Dr. Sadao. So more in my next class. So you listen to the explanation properly.